I am Dr. Prahlad. I am a senior physician practicing in Hyderabad for the past 3 decades. My special interest is in diabetes because the incidence of diabetes has gone up tremendously, and every two persons out of 10 are suffering from diabetes. That's why I have developed not only interest in the treatment of diabetes but also interest in tackling the complications of diabetes, because diabetes can lead to the most dreaded complications. It affects the quality of life, it shortens the life and also makes life miserable, and it puts enormous burden not only on the individual but also on the family and on the country as a whole. There are several causes for diabetes. One is it is hereditary, it runs in families. If both the parents are diabetics, there is a high chance of the children getting diabetes, particularly if the children are obese. The chance of contracting diabetes is even much higher. Sometimes people who consume excessive alcohol, gradually their pancreas gets affected, which we call as pancreatitis, either acute or chronic, and subsequently over a period of time the function of pancreas gradually deteriorates and thereby leading to diabetes, frank diabetes. And rarely some of these patients, they suffer from stones, pancreatic stones, like gallstones or kidney stones. They suffer from pancreatic stones, which erodes the function of pancreas, and these people also, after a few years, they may develop diabetes mellitus, and they surely require only insulin for treatment, because insulin is very deficient in this category of individuals. And there are two types of diabetes. Type 1, which is not hereditary, but it is called as autoimmune diabetes, where islet cells get destroyed because of some autoimmune process in the body, and these people are totally deficient in insulin. That's why they are called as insulin dependent diabetics. Their control of diabetes is dependent solely on insulin supplementation. These individuals, since the diabetes starts much early, they develop complications much early, and in order to prevent these complications, we need to keep their sugars under tight control. And also the other concern is, if we restrict the diet too much, their growth will be affected. That's why we have to provide them enough calories and at the same time control diabetes. And type 2 diabetes is one where some of these people respond to diet and exercise if their sugars are borderline. If they are higher, on the higher side, you may have to supplement certain medication, oral hypoglycemic agents, and during course of time, gradually the oral hypoglycemics fail, leading to necessity for insulin supplementation. But unfortunately, in spite of very tight control of sugars, these patients go on to develop various complications of diabetes mellitus, which I am going to narrate. One important complication is neuropathy, which is very, very rampant. Almost 40% of the diabetics, they develop neurological complications like sensory neuropathy, motor neuropathy, autonomic neuropathy, sometimes diabetic dementia, and sometimes diabetic depression. These are all the various neurological complications, and which are actually very, very crippling, because the individuals who develop diabetic dementia, they are totally dependent on the family members for their support. Hence, if we can prevent this complication, it is enormous service to not only the individual but also the society and the country. That's why this system of APT has come into vogue. It has been in USA and is also approved by FDA. It is there for the past 2 decades, and recently, about 8-9 months back, it has come to India, and it is producing very, very good results in terms of halting, retarding, and sometimes even totally reversing the neuropathy with which patients have been suffering for a long time. Second complication is nephropathy. Kidney disease is yet another common complication of diabetes. The earliest sign of kidney involvement is microalbuminuria, which has to be tested periodically in all those patients who have suffered with diabetes for more than 5 years. This is one common abnormality which can be detected early, and if you start treatment at that level, you can prevent frank renal failure, because renal failure, you all know, is one condition which requires dialysis, sometimes kidney grafting, which are very, very expensive procedures, and are also they are invasive. Even in kidney disorder, which is detected early, there is almost 100% reversal of the abnormality, and you can prevent patient from going into frank renal failure. Third common complication is retinopathy. It is a common knowledge that people suffering from diabetes, they develop retinopathy wherein there can be diminution of vision, sometimes total loss of vision, which is again a very, very unfortunate development in diabetics. So to address this, APT again is there, which is producing very good results by reversing and also causing very good improvement in the vision of the patients. And cardiomyopathy is yet another complication where patients suffer from breathlessness, inability to walk, extreme weakness, palpitations, swelling of legs and face. All these symptoms are because of diabetic cardiomyopathy in those who have been suffering, again as I said earlier, for a decade or so. And the APT offers a very promising results. This not only reverses cardiomyopathy but also addresses the issue of coronary artery disease, which is one of the number one killers in modern age. So another neurological complication is autonomic neuropathy, wherein elderly people suffer from very, very difficult problem like sudden postural drop, they may feel giddy, because in standing posture, in long-standing diabetes, BP suddenly drops and they suffer from injuries, sometimes they may suffer from fatal head injuries. So autonomic neuropathy also leads to sexual dysfunction, which we call as erectile dysfunction, which again is very well addressed by artificial pancreas therapy, which is actually giving real hope to the patients who have definitely become desperate about some of these problems, particularly young diabetics who suffer from erectile dysfunction. It is a real embarrassing situation for them. They are, most of them, go into depression, but this system is offering near cure to all these patients. And dementia, again, as I said, is one condition where the individual becomes totally dependent on family members and he needs help all the time. He cannot manage himself. This is a real situation in the modern age where people do not have time to take care of elderly people. This actually puts enormous burden on the family, thereby causing inconvenience and disturbance to other family members. So APT again here has a very crucial role to play by showing significant improvement in the dementic individuals. Thereby they can be on their own without depending on others.